Hey guys, welcome to the CodeMat. Today's problem is search insert position. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. We solve a lot of competitive problems. What problem says is given a sorted array and a target value. Return an index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in an order. You may assume no duplicates in the array. So what problem says is we have a given one sorted array and one target element. We need to find whether the target element is present or not. If it is not, then what is the correct position for that element? Now let's understand with the example. So here the input array is given 1, 3, 5, 6 and 5 and target is a 5. So in this case our target is present, so we have written the index to 0, 1, 2. In the second example, target is not present, so in that case what is the correct position for target if we would like to insert it? So 0, 1 and 1 is going to be your output because the 1 is the correct position for 2. Same goes for this example. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 7 will be the number at the fourth position, and for 0 it is going to be at a 0 position, okay, because it is going to be the first element if we will insert it. Okay, now let's understand with the solution approach for this problem. Okay, so if you see here, what we are looking for is whether that number is present or not. That is a one problem, and if it is present, then we will return the same index. If it is not present, then we would like to find out what is the correct position for that number. So there are two solutions to this. Okay, one, let's say we can go to the linear way and start iterating from first index. Okay, and we'll keep iterating till we found correct number or not. If let's say here the target is, let's say we take one example as a 5 and second example we will take target is equal to 2. Okay, so for 5 will keep iterating until we found that number. Let's say if we found that number here, then we will return this index I. That will be the solution. For the second case, let's say where the target is not present, so we'll found from where or from which index onwards the numbers are greater to the current target number. So in that case we will return that index, that is where we are getting the let's say num of I is greater than 2. Then at that case, from greater than 2 or target, from there onwards we will return that I, because that is correct position to insert that number. Okay, so this is a one solution approach. But what problem here we are seeing is that it takes a time complexity as a linear. We at least we need to iterate over the whole array. So time complexity for this one is going to be of n. The other solution could be, as we know that our array is already in a short order. Okay, so the second problem or second approach we can apply is we can apply a binary search to the above array. So let's say if I write it down 1, 3, 5 and 6, this is what our current array, right? Now let's say, so we can apply a binary search. Your low pointer we will keep it at here, your high pointer we will keep it at here. Okay, and we'll find out a mid. Let's say mid will come somewhere here in between. Okay, and then we will check whether your element at, let's say, num at mid is equal to target. That means we found the number itself present in the given array. So in that case return a mid. Okay, if that mid or if the number target number is not present, let's say in the case of 2 which is not a present in the given array, so in that case we will, what we can do is, let's say number at a mid, for number at mid, let's say if it is a less than target. Okay, so what we are saying is at this index, that index number is less than target, then what we will do is we will remove these numbers and we'll move our left pointer to the mid plus 1, and then we will start searching in this range only. Okay, let's say if our mid is greater than the target, That means our whatever the number we are searching for, that is going to be in somewhere in this range. Okay, in that case we will move our higher pointer to the mid minus 1. Okay, so let's write down a condition for that. So if we have two pointers L and H, first it will start from 0, this one will be somewhere length of that array minus 1. If your number at mid, okay, is less than your target, let's say, okay, that means our target is still bigger than the what our mid element. Okay, so in that case we want to move our higher or our left pointer to the mid plus 1. Okay, in the second case, let's say number mid is greater than target. Okay, in that case we want our right pointer or higher pointer, I would say higher pointer, to be at mid minus 1. So in this range we would like to search it. So this way what advantage we will get here is our time complexity will be reduced from of n to the O of log n, because we are only iterating over the half of the array, or every time you will remove the half of the elements and you will check in the rest of the half of the elements. So that way it will reduce to the log n complexity. Now let's write it down a code for this. Alright, now let's first define our low and high pointer is equal to nums dot length. Okay, and let's define a mid element also, which we are going to calculate. We would like to iterate till those will cross each other. Okay, now let's first calculate the mid. So mid will be with the standard approach L plus H minus L by 2. Okay, now let's first check whether element at mid is what your target. If that is the case, return mid itself. Now if nums at mid is less than your target, let's say your number is less than your target, so in that case what we want is we would like to move our left pointer to the mid plus 1, and else move your right or higher pointer to the mid minus 1. Okay, at the end we will have a correct index with the lower index, so return a L. So this, the last statement always runs if we will not find a exact match. So in that case we will have the or index where we can insert this target element, so we'll return that lower limit. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, it got submitted. So that's it in this video. Hope you like it. If you have a different approach, please add it into the comment. If you are looking for solution for different problem, please add it into the comment. Thank you guys.